Awning windows are a popular choice for homes in Kendall, Florida, offering excellent ventilation, sleek design, and versatility to complement the area's diverse architectural styles. However, Kendall's humid climate can take a toll on any window over time, making proper maintenance essential to ensure their longevity and performance. Regular care and upkeep can keep your awning windows looking great, functioning well, and protecting your home against the elements. Here's a guide to maintaining awning windows in Kendall's humid climate. Regular cleaning to combat humidity and dirt. Kendall's humid environment often leads to the buildup of dirt, grime, and even mold on windows. This can compromise their appearance and functionality. How to clean. Use a mild detergent mixed with warm water to clean the glass and frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that may damage finishes. For stubborn dirt, a soft bristle brush or sponge is effective without scratching the surface. Clean both the interior and exterior, paying special attention to the hinges and seals where dirt can accumulate. Frequency. Clean your awning windows every 3-6 months, or more often if they are exposed to heavy rain or high pollen levels. Inspect and maintain seals and weather stripping. The seals and weather stripping on your awning windows are vital for keeping out moisture, air leaks, and pests. Over time, humidity can cause seals to deteriorate. What to look for? Check for cracks, gaps, or peeling in the weather stripping. Inspect the seals for signs of wear or damage, such as brittleness or discoloration. Maintenance tips. Replace damaged weather stripping or seals promptly to maintain energy efficiency and prevent water infiltration. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to keep seals pliable and functional in the humid climate. Lubricate moving parts. The hinges and operating mechanisms of awning windows are subject to wear, especially in a humid environment where rust or corrosion can occur. How to lubricate. Use a non-greasy lubricant or silicone spray to keep hinges, cranks, and locking mechanisms operating smoothly. Avoid over-lubrication, as excess grease can attract dirt and debris. Frequency. Lubricate moving parts every 6 months, or as needed if the windows become difficult to open or close. Protect against corrosion. Humidity in Kendall can accelerate corrosion on metal parts of your windows, including hinges, screws, and locks. Preventive measures. Choose awning windows made with corrosion-resistant materials, such as aluminum or stainless steel components. Wipe down metal parts with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly to prevent moisture buildup. Maintenance tip. If you notice any signs of rust, use a rust remover or fine steel wool to clean the affected area, and then apply a protective coating. Monitor and address condensation. Condensation is a common issue in humid climates and can lead to mold, mildew, or damage to window frames. How to prevent condensation. Ensure proper ventilation inside your home to reduce indoor humidity levels. Use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms. Install double-glazed or low-E glass windows to improve insulation and reduce temperature differences that cause condensation. Maintenance tip. Wipe away any condensation promptly and inspect frames for signs of water damage or mold growth. Check for mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in Kendall's humid environment and can develop on window frames or seals if not properly maintained. How to remove mold. Use a mixture of water and white vinegar or a mild mold cleaner to scrub affected areas. Rinse thoroughly and dry completely to prevent regrowth. Preventive tip. Keep windows clean and well ventilated to discourage mold development. Inspect glass for damage. The glass in your awning windows is exposed to constant environmental stress, from heavy rains to intense sunlight. What to check? Look for cracks, chips, or scratches that could compromise the window's strength or insulation. Inspect glass coatings, such as low E films, for wear or damage. Maintenance tip. Replace damaged glass promptly to maintain the window's structural integrity and energy efficiency. Maintain frames to resist warping and rot. Window frames, particularly wooden ones, are susceptible to warping, swelling, or rot in high humidity areas. How to protect frames. For wooden frames, apply a weather-resistant sealant or paint to prevent moisture absorption. For vinyl or aluminum frames, clean regularly to remove dirt and moisture that could degrade the material. Inspection tip. Check for signs of warping, peeling, or discoloration, and address issues immediately to prevent further damage. Schedule professional maintenance. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, periodic professional inspections can identify and address issues that you might overlook. Why it's important. Professionals can check for hidden damage, such as internal rust or leaks, and ensure all components are functioning properly. They can also advise on upgrades or replacements if your awning windows are nearing the end of their lifespan. Frequency. Schedule a professional inspection every 1-2 years, or sooner if you notice persistent problems. Final thoughts. Awning windows are an excellent choice for Kendall homes, offering both functionality and style. However, maintaining them in a humid climate requires consistent care and attention. By cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing issues promptly, you can extend the life of your windows and keep them performing their best. For optimal results, choose high-quality awning windows designed to withstand Kendall's climate and partner with professionals for installation and periodic maintenance. With proper care, your awning windows will continue to enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and beauty for years to come.